Step 1. Copy this link. Step 2. Paste it in here and click on download. Step 3. Upload it to YouTube Shorts and make money like this and money like this. I want to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts and get paid thousands of dollars every single month by simply copy and pasting videos. As you can see, this is happening again and again with people from all over the world. The good part is that I'm gonna show you how to do this without even showing your face, without ever using your voice, and without any big upfront investment. Look, YouTube needs to compete with TikTok because TikTok is blown up in market right now, and that's good news for you because YouTube is giving $100 million to YouTube Shorts creators. As you can see this on its own official blog. If you have 30 minutes a day with no money, I'm going to show you on this video how to turn that into a lot of money with YouTube Shorts without ever showing your face. Before that, if you like videos about the best way to earn money online, subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell for more videos. Now let's get started. As you can see right here, people are getting millions of views, but most of them are actually showing their face, right? But here you can see that most of people wanted to start their channel without showing their face. So I'm gonna help you out with this today. Now one of the thing you need to do is that search this keyword dash cam. So you can see here that Australian car crash got 563,000 views just in 4 days. Let me change over to English because you guys probably don't understand Norwegian. And as you can see these other videos getting thousands, and see right here 3 million views. Let me show you a couple of channels here, and one of the channel is called as Mega Driving School, and see right here views for last 30 days got about 2.6 millions and making AdSense money 24,000 monthly earning. Now the videos that they are making is little bit longer type of videos: road rage USA and Canada, road rage Europe, etc. I will show you how to make it short, but before that let's check another channel which is Dash Cam Honors Australia. You can see that they got about 6.4 million views for the last 30 days and making about $6 to $58,000 per month. Now you understand that this niche is really big, and also right here you can got a lot of views and you can make a lot of money in this niche. Step 1. Find the footage. So go to youtube.com, search dash cam, then you click on filter and Creative Commons. And if you don't know what Creative Commons is, well, Creative Commons is by marking your original video with Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit the video. So we can use this video, edit that video to make it our own, re-upload them. For example, we have this video getting 1.2 million views. Click on that and I will show you a little trick right here. If you wanted to download this video, then just write pp after YouTube and press enter from your keyboard, and you will move to y2mate.com and you can download this video. Alright, make sure that you select high resolution and then click on download. Step 2. Turn it into a short. Here you need to go to canva.com and here you can search story ad and click on this template. Make sure it is 1080 by 920, and as you can see that they have a lot of different templates that you can use, but I am clicking on create blank story ad. So drag and drop your downloaded video right here.
Опускаем, сейчас приедет сотрудник, опустим.
Дождитесь сотрудников полиции.
So this one is perfect one, and I already have some captions that we can use here. Now you can see this video is 10 minutes long, so just click right here and then we just need to find that where this video starts and where it's ends. Alright. As you can see, this short is about 29 seconds, which is perfect. Now resize this video, and that's perfect. And then we can add some captions. Alright, click on download and then select MP4 and download it again. Step 3. Upload the video. Drag that downloaded video to YouTube downloader, and we can say like Russian man refused to get his car towed. And next thing you need to do is that to make it short, right? So type hashtag shorts in description and generate some more description for this video. Next step is that create tags for this video. Now I am just deleting tags, and here you can add different tags like dash cam, road track, etc. Now you have done all these steps correctly, so you can upload this video on YouTube. If you repeat this method again and again, you can make a lot of money while staying this niche. If you are happy with this new trick, give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell for more informational videos. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.